your gummies are not qualified to be called supplements. If you want to do supplements, do it well. Hello guys, you're welcome back to yet another video. On today's video, we are going to be talking about supplements for clear, radiant skin. Now, I need to make this clear. I am not a medical doctor. I'm only sharing this information based on what I know about skincare, based on what I know about supplements, based on what has worked for me and still working for me, and based on what has been working for people that I've been able to work with. If you're a girl and your hormone is not balanced, there is no way it will not reflect on your skin. The other day, I made a post and stated that your skin is a manifestation of what is happening inside of your body, and that is just the truth. Sometimes you realize that you're always breaking out. At that time of the month, you're always breaking out. You're always having this cystic, painful acne. These are signs of hormonal imbalance. These are signs of hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance will make you to invest so much on skincare, yet nothing will be working for you. It will look like you're just pouring water on a rock. Nothing will be working for you because your problem is from the inside. And that is why I always encourage women that if you're having consistent and persistent acne, painful acne, that you seem not to understand, it's always there no matter what you do, I think it is high time you visited your doctor so that your doctor will either check what is wrong with you, know the kind of supplements they will prescribe for you, or you see a pharmacist. A pharmacist can also help you point out the kind of supplements you should be taking for your overall health, for your overall skin, for your hormones to be balanced. There was a time I was not understanding the whole of my system. Like my face was full of pimple, my body, I was just not understanding anything. My energy level was very, very low. These acne were very, very painful. Consistent, persistent breakouts. No matter what I did, it did not clear. My energy level was dropping. I was just so tired. This thing made me to go and visit the doctor. The doctor told me that one of my hormones was not balanced. So he placed me on some drugs and included some supplements. And me on my own, I decided to switch my diet. I ate more healthy meal and everything cleared. I did not even do too much. Same skincare products that refused to work started working. You know, when we talk about supplements, some people feel like it is not that important. Your supplement is a very important aspect of your skin, of your overall health, because this is what will help to keep certain things in check. You're not eating enough fruits and vegetables. You're not eating healthy meals. And you're asking yourself, why are you breaking out? Why is your period always painful? All these things are because your hormones are not okay. And when you put them in check, you will see that those skincare products are actually effective. And I need to say this, sometimes it is not about the price of the skincare product you're using. It is about what is happening inside, all right? You can use a skincare product worth up to 500k, and at the end of the day, it seems you're not doing enough because what? Your hormones are not in check. This is why I always encourage women, when there is something you don't understand in your body, please run to your doctor. Run to your doctor and get it checked immediately and put it in place, because these are the things that you will live over time. You will notice that, oh, every day it's as if your skin is getting worse. All these things boils down to hormonal imbalance. If you are the type that always have this painful cystic acne at that time of the month, you need to have supplements like evening primrose in your routine. This is what is going to put that inflammation in check immediately. This evening primrose oil is very good and it's amazing for people with sensitive skin. It's very good for people with acne-prone skin. So you should look out for supplements that contains evening primrose if you want to have a clear and better skin. This is going to help to balance your hormone and reduce your hormonal acne. This also helps your skin retain moisture. You know those people that when you look at them, those of your aunties in their 40s and 50s, when you look at them, it's as if their skin is just glittering. Most of them take evening primrose, and that is very good for their skin. It is very good for not just their skin, for their overall health. Evening primrose is also very good if you're the type that experience breakouts during your period. Now, aside hormonal imbalance, your gut health is also a very important area you want to look into. If you have used skincare for several months and nothing seems to work, it could be that your gut health needs to be cleansed. Probiotic supplements will help you put your gut health in check, and when this happens, your skin will become clearer. If you're the type that is always battling with constipation, it could be your gut health needs to be checked. Your rosacea, your eczema, your acne will flare up when your gut health is not in place. So these are the things that probiotic supplements will help you put in check. Your lifestyle, the phase of your life, your gender, these are all important factors you need to consider when picking a supplement. These are some factors you want to consider before you say, okay, this supplement is good for me. If you decide to pick out one, what is your phase of life? What is your lifestyle? What is your gender? Now, let me give you a clear instance. The supplement a girl in her 20s will use will be very different from the supplement a woman in her 40s and early 50s will use, because women in their 40s tend to experience low energy, maybe due to premenopausal symptoms, due to childbearing and all those stress they have gone through in life. Their supplement will be very different from someone who is in their 20s. Now, you're not supposed to use the same supplement as men, okay? So this is a very clear instance. So when it comes to recommendation, I will strongly advise you consider the above factors and know what works best for you. Women in their 30s and 40s, they tend to experience stress a lot due to family, due to childbearing, and it's not the same as someone who is in their 20s. When you're in your 20s, you're full of energy, you're full of life, okay? But the moment you start going close to late 30s, 40s, you will notice that there is a drop in your energy level, and these things are normal. Nature made them so. So this is why I always advise that you need supplements to support your overall health, to support your skin. If you're always having low energy, it means that your body is in short of iron, which means you need multivitamins. Multivitamins that contains vitamin D, vitamin B, iron, magnesium. All those things are nutrients you need for overall functioning of your body, of your skin. Vitamin C supplement, the 1000 milligram, is a very good supplement. However, I will not advise you to just get it and be using, because your body also needs other nutrients to function properly. So you cannot rely on only vitamin C, which will brighten your skin. So what is going to work on your acne? We all know that vitamin C does not work on acne. So you see, you need a very good supplement to support yourself and your skin. In conclusion, ensure that your supplements provide all the nutrients your body needs. Alright? And before I forget, your gummies are not qualified to be called supplements. Supplements I will advise you to use are dietary supplements. You need dietary supplement so that they are going to support the food you're eating, they are going to support the fruits and vegetables you're eating, and supply your body with enough nutrients that you need. If you want to do supplements, do dietary supplements. I am saying this. Please do dietary supplements. There is no need for gummies. There is no need for all these sugary things you pour into your tummy in the name of supplements. Your collagen supplement is going to enhance your hair growth, is going to enhance your nail growth. So these things are supplements that you all need in your body. Ensure that the supplement you're using to support your skin and your overall health covers all these factors I have mentioned, and they provide your skin with enough nutrients. They provide your body with enough nutrients to support the food you're eating. If you want to do supplements, do it well. Evening primrose will improve your hormones, which will reflect on your skin. Multivitamins will ensure that you're getting the right amount of nutrients that your body needs to function. If you're battling with low energy, you want to look out for multivitamins. This is very necessary for you, especially as a woman that you lose blood every month. If you want to grow a longer hair, a longer nail, you should invest in collagen supplements. All these things will help you look more beautiful, presentable, radiant, with a clear skin. I know the Reload brand to have a very good multivitamin, so you want to check them out. I know Informal to have a very good brand of evening primrose, so you want to check them out. The Daravite Woman brand is also a very good brand that produces good multivitamin for women. So you want to check them out. You want to step up your skincare and overall health game. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my very next one.